people consider a whole house system because of the chlorine or the reaction of them to chlorine, because the whole house system will remove chlorine from every point in the house. Some people are allergic to chlorine, and some people don't even know that they are. If you get out of the shower and you find yourself sneezing or coughing, you're probably most likely allergic to chlorine. You should consider a whole house system, or at the very least a shower filter. Whole house systems can be from the basic to the extreme. Basic ones are refillable, and we sell two types. We sell the American housings and we sell the Asian copy of the American housings. The Asian copy housings are quite good. They're certainly the same pressure rating as the American ones. The only real downside to them, they're not as stable in UV. So if it's going to be in full sun, go with the American one. If it's going to be protected from the direct sun, then the Asian ones are quite a good buy. The cartridges within, the most economical and most popular is the refillables due to the low operating costs. And of course you can go up to the point of having cis-rated cartridge, heavy metals reduction with the matrix PB1. And there's various increments in between. When it comes to the whole house water filters and their potential drop of the pressure, the lowest pressure drop is the refillable type, which will be around 2 PSI. You would not notice the pressure drop because there's actually more flow restriction within the house than the pressure drop across the filter system. It would have an extremely minor influence on flow at the shower. You would not notice it. But when you go to the high level ones that are 0.5 micron rated and heavy metals and all that, like such as the matrix PB1, at a flow rate of 25 litres per minute, you would expect to see around a 6.5 to 7 PSI pressure drop. So unless you had rather handsome pressure to start with, you may want to consider whether that's for you or not. When it comes to whole house systems on tank water, the normal carbon cartridges for chlorinated water are not really suitable for tank water. The carbon is a very handsome environment for bacteria to multiply. And we're not talking about harmful bacteria such as E. coli, we're just talking about general bacteria. So when it comes to the whole house systems on tank water, we have special carbon that's called silver nitrate impregnated carbon at 2%. And what that is, it does not sterilise the water, but the silver nitrate is a hostile environment for the bacteria and it will not establish on the carbon, so therefore it leaves the carbon free to operate as a chemical filter the way it should do. When it comes to the installation of a whole house system, generally it will be somewhere between the meter near the front of your house, right up to the point entering your house. Now every house is different, so only you can determine where that's likely to be installed. It's generally not the type of thing that a home handyman should attempt. It really is in the area of licensed plumbers. The list of products on our website is extensive and at times confusing. So if you're at all in doubt about which product would best suit you, please give us a call on 1800 305 579 and we'll be happy to help you without any pressure selling.